The last example for today is going to deal with bearings again. A little bit different situation. It's not boat or sailing, but it's a little different situation. So it says fire tower A is 30 kilometers due west of fire tower B. A fire is spotted from the towers, and the bearings from A and B are north 76 degrees east and north 56 degrees west, respectively. Respectively means in order. Find the distance of the fire from fire tower B. So what we need to do is we need to be able to draw this. So the big thing is you need to know where A and B are. It says A is west of B. So if you were to draw this, here's A, and here is B. It says it is 30 kilometers due west. So this distance right here is 30 kilometers. Okay. Now it says the fire is spotted from the towers and the bearings from A and B, respectively. So it's from A is the first one because A is listed first. So from the north line, I'm going to rotate 76 degrees to the east, and it would look something like this. This here is 76 degrees. From B, because B is second, it's going to be 56 degrees to the west, and it would look something like this, where this is 56 degrees. Okay? What we are trying to figure out is it says, find the distance of the fire from tower B. So here's B, here's the fire. Okay? I want to know this distance right here. Okay? So what we got to do is we know that this is 76. Since this is 76, we can figure out this angle because they form a right angle is going to be 14 degrees. If this is 56, we can figure out that this here is going to be 34 degrees. Okay? I want to figure out this side length right here. Well, in order to do that, I have this angle, this side, which would fit up with law of sines if we know what this angle is. And since this angle we don't know, but we can figure it out because we have the other two. So we take 180 minus 34 minus 14, and you get 132. So this angle up here would be 132 degrees. So now we can set up law of sines and solve what we want. So it'd be sine 132 over 30 equals sine of 14 over x. Now we cross multiply and solve. I'm going to get x sine 132 equals 30 sine 14. Divide by sine of 132 on both sides. And then we type that into the calculator and see what we get. So I get x equals 9.766, so it'd be 9.77 kilometers. Okay. Now what we can do is we can go back up and check. This is 9.77. Does that number seem reasonable? Well, this is a 132-degree angle. It's creating 30. This is a 14-degree angle creating 9.7. Yeah, that seems like it could be right. It's definitely smaller. It's quite a bit smaller compared to 30. So that would be 9.77 kilometers.